Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate truffles with milk at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of good quality milk chocolate, 1/2 cup of whole milk or heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Don't forget your favorite coatings, such as cocoa powder, sprinkles, or chopped nuts. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Now let's create the ganache, the heart of your truffles. Start by finely chopping your milk chocolate. Smaller pieces melt more evenly. Gently heat your milk in a saucepan until it's hot but not boiling. Pour the hot milk over the chopped chocolate and let it sit for about 5 minutes. This allows the chocolate to soften before you stir it into a beautiful, smooth, and glossy mixture. This step is crucial for a perfect texture. Once your ganache is ready, it's time to chill it. Cover the bowl and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours or until it's firm enough to handle. This chilling process is essential for shaping. When firm, use a small spoon or a melon baller to scoop out portions. Quickly roll these portions between your palms to form smooth, round, 1-inch balls. Don't worry if they are not perfectly uniform. Homemade charm is part of the fun. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. Roll each shaped truffle immediately into your desired coating. Classic choices include unsweetened cocoa powder or powdered sugar. For extra flair, consider finely chopped nuts, shredded coconut, or colorful sprinkles. Once coated, your delicious homemade chocolate truffles are ready to enjoy. Store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Happy indulging!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.